Welcome. If you're tired of Instagram automatically saving every photo you post to your phone's gallery, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to stop Instagram from saving original photos, updated for the latest version of the app. This quick guide will help you free up space and keep your camera roll clutter-free. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look to the top right corner. You'll see the familiar 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on that to open up your profile menu. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Archiving and Downloading. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls how Instagram handles your photos and videos after you post them. Inside the Archiving and Downloading menu, you'll see a toggle labeled Save Original Photos. This setting is usually turned on by default, which means every time you post a photo or video, Instagram saves a copy to your device. If you want to stop this from happening, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. That's it. With just a few taps, you've stopped Instagram from saving original photos to your phone. Now, you can post as much as you want without worrying about your gallery filling up with duplicates. If you ever change your mind and want Instagram to start saving your photos again, just follow these same steps and turn the toggle back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any other Instagram questions or tips you'd like to share. See you in the next video.